it goes a little something like.
You all summer and after I'll keep you all
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, 𝐲𝐬. Before we get started with this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and please enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's start. Oh, by the way, Mom, thank you so much for helping me buy these things. Yeah, no problem, it's fine. It was kind of easy. Yeah, Mom, but the thing is, I want to buy a few more stuff for my room. Is that okay? I don't really know about that, but you're gonna have to use your money. Okay, that's fine with me. I already have some money saved up. Well, okay, I wonder how your siblings and father is doing downstairs. Hello guys, welcome back. But in Hutch's last video, the kids, they broke the laundry machine. I didn't know what they were doing, but it's all broken and it's disgusting. So I'm gonna clean up here and I'm gonna talk to them. Okay, I'm done with that. It was kind of sticky while I was made up fun, but now it's time to call them.
Kids, come over here. I need to talk to y'all.
Uh-oh, I think we're in big trouble. Definitely, and his voice was so deep. Oh.
Hey Dad, why did you call us?
Why I called you guys here? Do you guys know what you guys did? You guys broke the machine. Yeah, sorry Dad, that was totally our fault.
Yeah Dad, it's all our fault. We're really sorry about that.
Well, I'm not really mad at you guys, but the laundry machine is broken and I don't want your mom to get worried, so we need to wash our clothes. Well, we didn't think of that. It's all our fault.
Yeah, but maybe we can go somewhere to wash our clothes.
Well, I guess someone can come and fix the laundry machine, and meanwhile, we can just go to the laundromat. Well, okay, that sounds great. Hey, Sally, I'm gonna go downstairs to check up on your siblings, because I don't know what's going on. Okay, that's fine with me. Alright, well, I'm gonna go now. Hey guys, what's going on here? Is everything okay? Well, something happened and the kids want to tell you about it.
Well, Mom, we broke the laundry machine because we were trying to help you and it went bad.
Yeah, you were sad, so we were trying to help out, but yeah. Well guys, don't worry about it. It's okay, and I'm glad that you guys tried to help me anyways.
Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. No problem, kids, but honey, what are we gonna do now? Because we have laundry. Well, that problem is solved because we decided that we should go to the laundromat, but you don't have to come with us. Well, I guess so, because I already have to help Sally with something. That's okay, you just have to go and rest or just relax. Well, okay, and thank you. Well, okay, I got the laundry basket and here are some of the dirty clothes that we have, and now we just have to go.
Dad, can we bring our iPad?
Well, I guess if you guys want to, then sure.
And some snacks?
Well, I don't want you guys to buy anything there, so okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So I got this bag and I really like it. So I'm gonna put the iPads in there. Okay, I got my iPad and Allie's iPad. So now I'm just gonna put it in the bag, and Dad said we can also bring snacks. So I brought a little for us. I try not to get too much, which is good. Okay, I'm ready. I'm coming down. Allie, hurry up, okay?
Okay, so is everybody ready and you guys got everything?
Yeah, everything that we need is inside this bag.
Okay, then we're ready. Alright, so let's go before it gets late. Okay, everyone get in the car, please. Alright y'all, so we finally made it to the laundromat, and honestly this place just looks so beautiful, and now let's just go ahead and get our coins.
Ooh, well, okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Could we please get 2 coin tickets, please?
Good afternoon to you too, and also would that be cash or credit?
Just credit, please.
Alrighty then, please go ahead and swipe that, please.
Okay, let me just get my card.
Okay, thank you. Now you can go ahead and get your coins.
Okay. Okay, I got the coins. Thank you. No problem, and have a great day. You too. Come on, kids, let's go. Okay, so do any of you guys want to help me do the laundry? Because I think it should be okay.
Ooh. I want to help. Yeah, me too. Can I help?
Okay, then you guys can help, and now let's get started, okay? Oh, dang it, I forgot to get the laundry material, so a good thing I already paid for that, and I'm gonna go get it. Okay, kids, so while the laundry washes, how about we go to the play area, or resting room? Sure. Why not? Well, okay then, let's go, come on.
Okay guys, so I have out my iPad and now I'm gonna start playing this new game that I just installed. Well, okay, looks like I'm cracking the egg, and I'm just gonna pour some milk in, and then next is gonna be some sugar. So first I'm gonna be pouring some honey. Okay, great. Second is gonna be some watermelon. And the next thing, okay, so they're all done, and I'm just gonna be pouring that. I forgot what that is, but I'm just gonna be adding it. Now it's gonna go into the heater. Okay, so this is Jell-O, so it's gonna be in the freezer until it's frozen. And now this is the finished results.
Okay, so the clothes are done being washed, so now I'm going to be putting them in a dryer, and it won't really take long, so yeah. Okay, so we're just going to be waiting until it's done, and then after we're going to take everything and go home. Okay, we're done, and guys, that did not take no 10 minutes.
Dad, today was really fun.
Oh really? Well, I'm really glad that you liked it. Well guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, and thank you so much if you guys watched this far, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please, bye.